If you're experiencing account sync issues in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games server status page to ensure that the game servers are online and functioning properly. If there are outages or maintenance, you may need to wait until the servers are back up. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. This can help refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve temporary sync issues. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 4. Relink your accounts. If you're playing on a console, go to the settings and unlink your Rockstar Social Club account. Then, relink it to your console account. This can help refresh the connection and resolve sync issues. Step 5. Contact Rockstar Support. If the problem persists after trying the previous steps, reach out to Rockstar Support for further assistance. Provide them with details about your issue, and they can offer specific solutions or escalate the problem if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve account sync issues in Red Dead Redemption 2. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or support channels.